Good morning, students. The previous class discussed about dependent reaction. Today we discuss about light independent reaction. Light independent reaction. Light independent reaction occur in stroma of chloroplast. Occur in stroma of chloroplast. Light independent reaction, also known as biosynthetic phase, and also this is the carbon fixation in the photosynthetic activity. This reaction discovered by Melvin Calvin, one of the American scientists. He got a Nobel Prize. Melvin Calvin. In this phase, carbon dioxide combined with ribulose 1,5-di or biphosphate carbon dioxide combined with ribulose 1,5-diphosphate or biphosphate to produce hexose sugar. Hexose sugar, this is the 6 carbon atom. This is 1 carbon atom. This is 5 carbon atom. Carbon dioxide 1 carbon atom. Ribulose 1,5-diphosphate 5 carbon atom to form a hexose sugar. This is 6 carbon atom. This is unstable compound to form a phosphoglyceric acid. Phosphoglyceric acid. Two molecules of phosphoglyceric acid. This is carbon atoms 3. This is 3 carbon atom. Carbon dioxide combined with ribulose 1,5-diphosphate to form hexose sugar. This is unstable compound immediately to form a 2 molecules of phosphoglyceric acid. To short form is PGA. 2 molecules of phosphoglyceric acid receive NADPH and ATP get from energy. Phosphoglyceric acid get from energy, NADPH and ATP. These two compounds formed in the light dependent reaction to form glyceraldehyde. 3-phosphate. Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. This is 6 carbon atom. This atom, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate to form glucose. Glucose next onwards to form a starch. This is the carbon fixation, light independent reaction, Melvin Calvin cycle. Describe the dark reaction. Dark reaction means need not light. Light independent reaction or dark reaction by biosynthetic phase, Melvin Calvin cycle, carbon fixation. These are all belongs to this structure. Light independent reaction occur in the stroma. Carbon dioxide to form combine with ribulose 1,5-diphosphate, hexose sugar. This is unstable compound. Immediately 2 molecules of phosphoglyceric acid. This is 3 carbon atom. phosphoglyceric acid get from MHG, NADPH and ATP to form a glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. This is the 6 carbon atom to form next one is 6 carbon atom. This is also 6 carbon atom. Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate to regenerate ribulose 1,5-diphosphate. Ribulose 1,5-diphosphate present in the stroma. Carbon dioxide plants absorb in the atmosphere. These are two combined in the stroma to form in this way. Next onwards, ribulose 1,5-diphosphate to formation in the structure. Loss of ribulose 1,5-diphosphate to regenerate. Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate 5 molecules of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate to form 6 molecules of ribulose 1,5-diphosphate regenerate in the stroma. This is about light independent reaction. Your question is dark reaction. Describe the dark reaction or Melvin-Calvin cycle to describe the light independent reaction.